Hey everyone, I want to quickly show you how to count characters in Microsoft Excel. So for this example, we're wanting to create headlines for Google Ads, and Google Ads only allows headlines for 30 characters or less. So we want to be as efficient and quick as possible whenever putting these headlines together. So we'll put our text within our spreadsheet, and next to it we'll put for the formula equal LEN parentheses A for the column that it's in, 3 for the cell in the row, parentheses, and there you go. It shows us that there's 23 characters within that cell. And so let's go ahead and keep practicing and try it again. Equal LEN, A4, parentheses, and there you go. It shows us that we have 27 characters. And so we'll do it one more time. Equals LEN, parentheses, A5, parentheses. And this one shows us that there's too many characters within that cell. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.